In the U.S., the Delta variant is driving up new cases in all 50 states. And America's vaccination rates are stagnating, putting the U.S. behind Canada. According to Oxford University's Our World in Data, 49% of Canadians have received both doses of a COVID-19 vaccine. In the U.S., it's 48%. When it comes to the first dose, it's 70% overall in Canada, compared to 55% in the U.S. As Jennifer Johnson explains, the concern isn't just the number of people becoming infected, it's also the severity of the illness.
Masks are back on in Los Angeles County, mandated after a new surge of COVID-19 cases.
Until things really get back to normal, got to do what we got to do to get things back to normal, you know what I mean?
New cases of COVID-19 have doubled in the U.S. in the last 2 weeks, rising in almost every state as the Delta variant spreads. Officials in L.A. are taking no chances.
It's not punishment, it's prevention. We still have 4 million people out of 10 million that haven't been vaccinated, and many of them are young people.
Hospitalizations for COVID-19 are also increasing in several states, up more than 70% in Florida and 150% in Springfield, Missouri, which is now running out of hospital beds.
We know what the solution is. It's vaccination. People need to get it. It's readily available.
In Nevada, nearly 100% of the people in this hospital's intensive care unit are unvaccinated.
With some of these variants, it's passing much more efficiently, and people are getting much sicker than last year.
Health experts expect more mask mandates will be put in place as hospitals become overwhelmed again.
In areas where there are low numbers of vaccinated people, or where cases are rising, it's very reasonable for counties to take more mitigation measures, like the mask rules that you see coming out in LA.
Warning this fourth surge is just the beginning. The Centers for Disease Control is urging everyone to get vaccinated. President Joe Biden is even taking on Facebook, accusing the social media giant of spreading vaccine misinformation.
They're killing people.
Facebook is firing back, saying millions have used their vaccine finder to get a shot. The battle comes as federal health officials struggle to put an end to this pandemic.